1.1 million miles of testing. Something like this you can only create if you have good partners, good teams and people.
Development that's gone into the car and the manufacturing process and so on. I mean, with the Grenadiers, with the cycling team, it's that same attention to detail.
In Formula One, we work with a team of 2,000 people, going through the paces, going through the testing, analysing the data to make that end product even better.
The vehicle's doing all the work for me in any sport, in any industry. Passion drives things, and then always trying to find ways to be better.
In Formula One, we built 2 prototypes. So how far do you go? I mean, you can constantly improve the vehicle, I guess.
I mean, look, we're having to push the limits because we want to build the best 4x4 in terms of all terrains.
All terrain, sightseeing, if you want to go to the tarmac, if you want to go to the worst terrain ever, you can still move.
You know, we're in the business of pushing boundaries, aren't we, really? You know, like yourself, believe in the impossible, achieve the impossible.
When we start handing over vehicles to customers, that's going to give us the biggest sense of reward of all.
Oh, massive bumps here, gliding over it.
It's certainly putting it at the limit with you driving, mate.
How do you feel about taking it to the next level?
This is unbelievable.
Yes.
You know, I'm driving like on a rally.
I'm sure if we've done 1.1 million miles, you won't mind me taking out for a few more then.
No, you fire away.
Get it.